Hey guys, it's Zach from Conde Systems, and today I'm going to be discussing saturation in your sublimation images. Saturation may be one of those words you've heard about, but never really bothered with, assuming it was something for photographers and people like that. If you're doing any type of printing or digital design, saturation is absolutely essential for you to know about.
Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and adjusting saturation in this program is super simple. We just go to Adjustments, and then Hue/Saturation. And as you can see, moving the slider around really changes the colors of this image. The more you remove of the saturation in the photo, the more everything is going to start approaching a pure gray.
So now that we have a better idea of what saturation is, I think we're ready to try sublimating a stainless steel product. Be sure to tune into our next video if you want to see the process behind that. This is Zach from Conde Systems, and I'll see y'all soon.